What's up, Copy Squad? It's your boy Kyle Milligan coming to you live from Boca Raton, Florida. And today I want to talk about copywriting for coaches. Actually, the inspiration for today's video is from a YouTube comment I got on my last video breaking down some email marketing. And the comment was basically asking, does this new, easy, safe, and big thing work in multiple niches? So I wanted to dive into that a little bit right now on today's thing, kind of show in a niche as unrelated to financial as I could go. And I know that financial and health copywriting are almost like they're the big two, right? Like it's either like diet, supplements, and health, or financial if you want to go to like the big super mass market copywriting niches. So I didn't want to do necessarily health, and I didn't want to do financial because someone was asking, otherwise. So I decided to pick a coach that I know who has a pretty solid email marketing funnel and a pretty awesome business. And I'll show that guy his channel, his funnel, and all that stuff real quick. Stupid question time. New, easy, safe, and big. Oh, and for anyone who doesn't know what new, easy, safe, and big, it's in my book, Take Their Money, at kylethewriter.com/book. These are the big four selling emotions, as I have labeled them. Basically, you hit these emotions, you can sell pretty much anything to anybody, and that's kind of what I want to prove today in this video. So he's asking, new, easy, safe, and big. Can those be applied to any type of copywriting in any niche? I am halfway through your book, and I freaking love it. Just want to make sure it will apply to the niche that I get into because it won't be financial writing. So let's go ahead and talk about other niches. So this is I Love Basketball TV, 1.91 million subscribers. I had the pleasure of meeting Coach Rock. He visited. He's obviously got a really great thing going. Like, this is an amazing accomplishment to have 1.91 followers on any platform. When I met him, we talked a little bit, and I basically pitched him on new, easy, safe, and big. And I thought, this will help you sell more stuff, et cetera, et cetera. And what he's teaching is, 3 simple tips to jump higher now, right? It's just really impressive what he's doing here. So the way his funnel works is, here we go. We've got the YouTube videos, and then he directs you inside the descriptions or at a call to action or something at the end of his videos. Look at this. 5.4 million, 6.9 million, 20K views, incredible. And then he'll direct you to his email list. So I went ahead and just selected at random one of his emails. And this is a good case study in sort of like email marketing, because he has a couple like keystone products that he has, like courses on how to be a better basketball player, and this is how he's able to market them so effectively. And I want to show how this is an applicable, the new, easy, safe, and big concepts are applicable outside of financial, even to this sort of niche. So here's your subject line. We know when we're talking about emails, you follow these 3 simple steps: disrupt, intrigue, and click. So that's a very large umbrella, very big, broad stuff. So let's kind of walk through this, and we're going to identify the disrupt, intrigue, the click. We're going to identify the new, easy, safe, and big at play as well. So walk with me here. So basketball is a guards game. Here's why. Okay, so there's your disruption. This is a guards game. Just like kind of one of those like bam, like right in your face, like very quick sort of statement. And it's either like challenging you. So you either are a guard and you're like, heck yeah, I'm going to read on, or you're not a guard and you're like, what do you mean this is a guards game? I'm a center. I don't need to be a guard. So whatever, you kind of get some attention here, disrupt. Well, that's what my coach told me in college. Now that statement is more true than ever. Even big men have to learn guard skills because the game has become such a guard game. What does that mean for you? It means that you have to have better guard skills than everybody else. By guard skills, I'm talking about, so he's setting the criteria up. He's getting you intrigued, right? So look, right away is a disrupt, and now he says, this is more important than ever. Here's what you need. Intrigue. So this is good. This guy is good. It means you have to have better guard skills than everybody else. By guard skills, talk about being able to shoot the basketball well, handle the basketball well, run the team, be a great passer, be mentally tough, be a leader, etc. There is a lot that goes into being a great guard, okay? So he's built that intrigue. He's already set like the criteria that you need to succeed. The problem is, all right, most players I love this. This is classic copywriting. The problem is most. This is your key insight. When you see these words, you know you're about to get the big mechanism, the big solution to your problem. Like he's going to set it up and explain to you, this is the one thing you don't know and you're missing. And then the solution will in turn be the product. So here we go. The problem is most players, coaches, and trainers completely neglect those qualities. You see all the videos of the players that can do hundreds of ball handling drills, but can those players run a team? That's where guard-focused basketball training system is different from any other training program in the world. So now he's introduced his mechanism, which is also his product, okay? And what did he introduce it with? New. So the big four emotions that we're kind of touching on here, we're talking about are new, easy, safe, and big. And I state that everything that you do, it needs to immediately project new, okay? So we got new, easy, safe, big. And now there's alter egos. And if you're interested in learning more about new, easy, safe, and big, how to apply this to your copywriting and how these emotions function along with their alter egos, check out kylethewriter.com/book. So new's alter ego. New has to be something brand new and novel to you that you've never experienced before, so it offers you some hope. I got the idea of hope from Todd Brown, legendary marketer himself, and I recommend his book, How to Find Your Next Big Idea. Check out that book. It's a really good book. So new and only both inspire hope because this is an opportunity at something new that you've never tried before. It's completely different. So all the times that you failed in the past, they don't matter. Also, if you've bought other products, they're not similar to this. So you're not just rebuying the same product. You're essentially just differentiating yourself from becoming a commodity. Becoming a commodity is death. The only emotion simply means you can only get this through me, and that basically cements the fact that you are not a commodity. Then the easy and anybody. So easy means that it's really easy to do. Safe means that it's credible, it's proven, it's going to work. Predictable is the alter ego, showing that it's not only safe and credible, but here's a series of predictable results that I can show you and demonstrate. And the only thing better than having a big gain or a big win or something over like life-changing is to have it fast, immediately. Okay, so these are the big four emotions: new, easy, safe, and big. Here's their alter egos. Only, anybody, predictable, fast. So let's dive into this. Here's where he launches into the mechanism. Guard-focused basketball training system is different from any other training program in the world, not a commodity. It's a high-intensity training program for players at any level, okay? So, at any level. And the best part, it takes less than 45 minutes a day, just 3 to 4 days a week. Easy, all right? Inside, you're going to get access to, boom, all this value, all this awesome stuff, and much more. That's over 100 proven drills that will change your game tomorrow. Change your game tomorrow. And leave your teammates wondering what you were doing outside of practice. What a great future pace. Leave your teammates wondering. You've gotten so good, your teammates are just in awe. They don't even know what happened. To learn more about the system, click the orange button below. That will take you to a video where I pretty much explain everything you need to know about GFBT. But that's not all, because when you act today, I'm also going to throw in, so he's got the offer section going on here. Here's some 3 amazing bonuses, take you to the next level. Bonuses are 1, 2, and 3. You only get access to these bonuses if you act, okay, urgency, hurry, urgency. So this is the click. Remember, we're still in an email here. So it's disrupt, intrigue, click. So all of this, he's building that intrigue, he's intriguing, and he introduces this, and he's, again, twisting that intrigue. He's ratcheting that intrigue up higher and higher to get you to get this click. All right, so he's called you to click basically here, soft calls. Right here, he says, click that button below. Then he hits you with some urgency and adds on value. And then once again, says, hurry, because the deal will be finished before you know it. Talk later. Oh, look at this PS. I didn't even see this earlier. Here's some words from players, parents, and coaches already inside the training. So these testimonials are just another form of safe and predictable, right? Because we're establishing that this is a proven concept. Deepest, most thorough training I've ever seen for guards. It's all the things most trainers completely forget to teach. Okay, so there's some only wrapped up in there. I've been coaching for 40 years. 40 years, safe, right? That's some credible source. And this program is great to use with my players. Boom. Are you going to be next? Click here. All right, so then, all right, so we're seeing, let's back up a little bit here. Let's come back full circle. The question, which she says is a stupid question, but it's, I guess I guess it's one of those questions. Let's not call it a stupid question, but it's a question that could be answered with research. If you pause and you start looking at advertisements, look at how anybody's advertising anything. What you'll find is new, easy, safe, and big in the ways that I've just described them to you will pop out at your face. They smack you all around and say, look, this is how we sell everything. So we could say it's not a stupid question, but it might almost be just sort of like a blinders style question. Like if you look around, this should be self-evident, but I like the opportunity to show you it works as a basketball coach. So any type of copywriting in any niche, yes. So we have a guy who's on YouTube, amazingly successful at it with 1.91 million subscribers. He has this amazing email leading to his info product, which is a guard focused training. And then boom, you click through, here's the sales page itself, okay? If you want to be the ultimate guard, then you have to train like the ultimate guard. He's got a little video right here. And now guard focus, let's just look at the copy real quick and just see, how quickly we can spot new, easy, safe, and big. Guard focused training system is a 12-week high intensity for players at any level. So there's easy. Best part, 45 minutes a day. So it's really, there's anybody right here. This is the anybody emotion. And then you got easy right there. Want to join me and thousands of players just like you? So that's social proof. That factors into safe, right? So he's hitting on easy and safe. Here's what you'll get inside. And then he's going to start building that value. Just bullet city here. Look at all this. This is awesome. Price cut, bam. And there you go, your testimonials. Get started just training from just minutes from now. So this is, you can see the elements that we have in our financial copywriting clear as day here for coach and training. So I think this is just a really good testament. If you want to learn how to write words that really make you rich, if you want to master the secret language of sales that speaks directly to the emotional center of the brain, check out my book, Take Their Money. It's at kylewriter.com/book. All right, thanks for tuning in. Peace out, Copy Squad.